Hi, we're here at InfoComm 2026 at the Ikan booth, and I want to introduce you to our 3 brand new LBER POE lights. These are the ones that won the 2026 Best of Show InfoComm AV Technology winners. This one here is our RGB WA LCX8-POE, and related to it is over here, the other color light is the LCX5-POE, and these things are 5 colors, so it's RGB WA. So they do the full color range, and then the W and A, make sure you keep 97 to 98 CRI, so it still looks good on camera for the tunable whites. And then the last but not least is the middle POE lights. It's a ellipsoidal. This one uses a 21-inch, 21-degree lens. We also have a 30-degree lens available. And you can either drop a gobo, and you can also use the lens to cut the light.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Yes. To find out more information, you can visit us at icancorp.com, or you can come visit us here. We are in the North Hall at 6855.